Boost your English, one quiz at a time.
Get ready to test your listening skills. In this quiz, you'll hear 5 short monologues about everyday situations. After each one, there's a question to check your understanding. Listen carefully and do your best.
Hi, I just wanted to let someone know, I think I left my umbrella at the cafe this morning. It's a black one with a red handle. I was sitting near the window, and when I got up to leave, I must have forgotten it. I really hope someone found it and turned it in. That umbrella has been through a lot with me. What does the speaker imply about the umbrella?
I'm so excited, because I'm throwing a surprise birthday party for my best friend tomorrow evening. I invited all her close friends and even managed to get her favorite cake, chocolate with strawberry filling. She thinks we are just going out for dinner, but she's in for a big surprise when she walks into the decorated living room. What does the speaker say about the party?
This morning was a disaster. I missed my bus by 2 minutes and had to wait over 20 minutes for the next one. When it finally came, it was packed and didn't even stop near my office. I ended up walking almost a kilometer in high heels. I definitely need to leave home earlier from now on. Why did the speaker walk to work?
I had a job interview today, and I think it went okay. The interviewer asked me about my previous experience and why I want to work for their company. I tried to stay calm and give clear answers. I've never done anything like this before, so I guess we'll see if they think I'm a good fit. How does the speaker feel about the interview?
I can't believe how hot it is today. We were supposed to go hiking, but we decided to stay indoors instead. Even walking to the store felt unbearable. I don't mind warm weather, but this is just too much. I hope it cools down soon. What does the speaker mean by, I don't mind warm weather?
Great job! Share your score in the comments. Want more engaging English quizzes? Subscribe, new ones every week.